Okay, Rex, what we have here today is some tacos and some wings. Me and Babe found this restaurant in the neck of our wood, and we decided that we are going to give them a try, see what it is. So, we haven't tasted, never ate there. We can't wait to taste it. We'll see you over the video. This is stupid. Hey Rex. Hey Rex. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back. And welcome back. And welcome back. And welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. And I am trying to make sure you like, comment, share, listen, whatever you see. It's okay for you to share it. Do turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this delicious tacos and chicken wings we're about to consume. If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. Let's say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. Amen. If you guys have realized, I am fully cloaked today. With scarf. And I am inside. I'm not outside anywhere. I'm sitting inside. I am a little bit under the weather. I'm not feeling too well. So, I am super cold, so I'm dressed for how I'm feeling. But on the menu today, we are having tacos, soft and hard, and chicken wings. So what had happened was me and Babe got lost. We got lost. We always have a story. Yeah. We got lost, and we ran into this taco place, and we was like, hey, I didn't know there was a taco place here. And Babe was like, me either, Babe. And I was like, Babe, I think we should go in. And Babe was like, I think so too. So here we are. So this is a place in our neck of the hood, and we're gonna try it out. It's not homemade. Babe did not make this, nor create it. But it looks good. Right. Here's the kicker. It's Jamaican store. It's a Jamaican restaurant. I never have heard of a Jamaican restaurant making tacos. And that's what caught us. But look, Babe, I want to get into it real quick because I want to taste it. All right. Which one is that one? This is jerk chicken. No, this is jerk chicken taco with I don't know if you guys could see. Can I taste the jerk chicken and you taste the other one? No way. Okay. We have jerk chicken and cabbage and such. Yeah. Coleslaw. Coleslaw, right. Alright, watch. Here, baby. Thank you. Mm. You want to try with the taco sauce? Okay. Alright, guys, in front we have some taco sauce in the packet and some hot sauce. Whoa. That chicken reminds me of Jamaican, actual Jamaican jerk chicken. On the grill. It tastes good. Which one is this one? Chicken? Jerk. Yeah, I know it's jerk, but one is chicken and the other one is pork. This pork. Okay, that's pork. This chicken. I think that's pork. Well, there was 2 pork and there was 2 chicken. Right, guys, this is really good. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so we are in love with this one. How is the sauce? I didn't even taste it. Gosh, I like the sauce. Try the hot sauce, babe. Where? You always sending me to try some crap that you know is gonna. You know what? I'm gonna put it on the first part of it. Oh. I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. I hope you guys' week started off wonderful. And I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I also do hope that your hopes and aim for the week has been set already. And you're working on it. Until then, grab something to eat. I'll tell the chicken. This is these wings. This one is honey mustard.
And that one is Sweet Lakes. We've never tried Sweet Lakes before, so we decided we would give that one a try.
So here's the thing, Rex. I don't really mess with the skin of the chicken. Period.
Everybody knows that. I should by now. Guys.
So I'm gonna take it off.
This jerk chicken taco though. Oh.
Okay. Now I'm going to dig in.
Sweet.
No, because I took off the skin.
Oh. Oh, sorry. For you, it's regular chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I think I'm going to have to taste it with the skin.
Dip it in the sauce.
Now, Rex, if you notice, I put my shirt because I put the mic down here so the mic unbuttoned the button and I didn't realize. So if you notice that button, I was so exposed. What did you see?
It happened on camera? Oh, really? Oh, wow.
What did you see? I was so exposed.
I forgot to show you guys the chicken. This is Sweet Lakes.
It's sweet to it. There's a sweet to it.
It's pretty sweet.
I meant to say honey myself, but I'm thinking. Look, so guys, we got a taco with pork, jerk pork.
Whenever we buy pork, this is where Babe indulge, and she has a field day, and she goes buck wild. This is it.
Why? There's a reason for the season.
Because it's only a season.
Okay, babe, you gonna taste this one with me?
Why?
Yeah. The pork.
No, thank you.
Okay, guys.
Nothing personal. I don't eat pork.
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to taste the chicken with the skin. Can you pray for me?
Oh well. It's not bad. Taste it. It's good.
And it's a thing. It's just a thing.
Why?
Because in my head, right, the outer layer of the chicken is where all the healthy things, unhealthy things are. So if my so if I
you wouldn't think it would be on the inside when they eat all that stuff and
don't
then
bring my head there, girl. So if I peel off the outside, just go with it, baby. If I peel off the outside, I'm safe.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look at all that sauce dripping. Ooh. Ooh, wait.
It looks shiny. Alright, that's a honey
Don't you wish you
mustard,
had
guys.
it? Yeah.
And Jody's gonna taste it the right way. Me, not so much. I like this one.
Wow.
I like this one more than this one.
Usually, I'm not a big honey mustard fan, but this is pretty good.
Yeah.
And dip it in the sauce.
Saucy.
What I do love is that they put a lot of sauce on the chicken. So it comes out really saucy.
Now the chicken is crispy. Whoa. Okay, what we didn't taste yet?
Now we got a shrimp taco.
Shrimp taco. I mean, it's a regular taco.
Oh yeah. That's beef
Which one is
taco.
this?
Shrimp.
Oh.
We have 2 shrimp left.
Oh,
And then
pork.
and that's a pork.
So these are the regular taco. Let's see. feeling this chicken right now. I
I
don't know.
know.
This chicken is really good. Even with the skin off, I could tell that the sauce is really good.
It is. I just love the fact that they put extra sauce on there. That's the thing.
Jay, why you cloak up like this next to me? Why are you so cloaked
I'm
up, baby?
cold. I'm freezing.
Just so you guys know, we're in Florida. Makes no sense.
To you, it doesn't. To my body right now, this feels real good. I'm just saying. I'm putting it out there.
Y'all don't mess with Jay. Bro.
I'm gonna try the shrimp.
Oh my. Oh my. Look at this chicken.
I am going to try.
What?
You realize we eat a lot more food since we didn't cook it, opposing to when we cook it.
Maybe we're used to it.
No, when you taste somebody else's food and it tastes good, you're like, whoa.
Okay. That shit is good.
Want to taste the shrimp?
Okay.
I put some sauce on it.
Guys, today's a treat right now. I know. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Now, I was sing the chorus on a while. Kool-Aid in the building. Go ahead for the Kool-Aid out. Baby ain't twerking today because baby's cold today. Let's talk for the Kool-Aid out. Let's twerk for the Kool-Aid out. Tell me what you think about the shrimp.
Alright. Okay, guys. This is the shrimp. Not sure if you guys could see that little beauty right there. I did put some taco sauce on there.
Just that regular taco, right?
It's a good taco, but it's shrimp taco.
Why are you doing your mouth like that? Jody's so hilarious, I can't. Oh, you think about the chicken?
Oh, I love the chicken.
Which one is your favorite?
Funny enough, I like the honey mustard better than I like the sweet leeks. I do like the sweet leeks though, but I like the honey mustard better. It had more flavor.
Oh, wow, you like honey mustard?
I know. Wow. I said it's weird. They make a pretty good honey mustard, that's the thing.
Baby, go ahead and taste the taco right there. The yellow one.
Why you allowing me to taste everything? And I'm the one that's not even feeling good. So I don't even know why I'm tasting all of this because I don't know what's about to happen after we finish taping this video. Because you see how much food I'm eating?
She can't just taste the taco shell.
I'm going to taste the taco, okay? Okay, guys. That's the beef taco.
How's it?
It's alright.
It's alright.
I think it's better if you eat it when it's fresh. We got it. We came home when we had to set up and we had to do all of this good stuff, so.
So my favorite was the honey mustard wings, and the jerk chicken taco. Yeah, I like those.
I love the jerk chicken taco, and I love the honey mustard wings. The shrimp taco is not bad either.
Mm-hmm.
Neither is the Sweet Lakes chicken.
Mm-hmm.
This is regular taco.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is where we'll leave you until we meet you again. Have a good time. Have a jolly time. Have a fun time. Put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Try
Bye,
enjoy
guys.
chicken taco.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.